Hello guys, it's arrived, the Oppo Find X9 Pro. This is going to be a quick unboxing and quick first impressions, and then later on I'm going to give it a full review. Right out of the box, it's the usual Oppo presentation. Everything looks good. I don't like the case. The case is the only thing which isn't so premium. Now the phone itself looks really nice. You can't see it on videos, but the quality is incredible. It's really solid. It just doesn't show if you're looking at the phone on a screen. It just doesn't come through how good the quality is. Okay, we're going to do the first power up and just quickly go through a few options on the screen. And I'm going to look for that day one update. It's no day one update, but there was a day two update of over 1 gigabyte. Yeah, first initial impressions are really nice. Well, I'm going to put my SIM in this phone for a while and see how it feels. Thanks for watching. I'll get back to you.